Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK, and this video I'm going to review VDV Scout Pro 2 LT tester. It also called voice data and video tester. It tests telephone cable, Ethernet cable and coax cable. Inside the box you will get tester, remote kit, some coax ID, Ethernet IDs and instruction manual. If we talk about the size, this tester is pretty handy and you feel comfortable while holding. It comes in a cushion on the mirror, some rubber cushion. And price wise, this tester is like about $50 to $80 online in some stores. Remote kit is easy to test. You can take a remote device to the other room to test long run, or if it's running through the wall and other room. Now let's move to the tester. And tester itself have two pieces. One is tester and a remote component, which one already plugged in the tester so you don't lose it. And the remote component have two ports, one for data cable, telephone cable, and one for Ethernet cable. Same as the tester have two ports on the top for Ethernet cable and telephone cable. Also have a port for coax cable to test. So now we're gonna test Ethernet cable first. As a demo, we will hook up Ethernet cable one end to the remote side and other end top of the tester. I connect my wire, as you can see in the video, one end to the remote side and other end top of the mirror, and I will simply press one button, Ethernet test button, and it will show a result for my Ethernet cable if it's open, crossover, or is like not good. As you can see, it shows all wires are connected to the other wire. Now just assume this Ethernet cable running to the other room, how we can test. So you can hook up one end to the remote component and other end to the mirror. It will still give you the results. Now we also test for open position. If my mirror shows if it's open, as you can see my mirror shows open. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you guys like my video, please share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.